Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got an ARTDOT storage container to have a look at today. This is the new one that they brought out, and I'm thinking it's going to be a little bit like the lipstick containers that I love using. So yay, they're some of my favourites after my little zip up storage cases. They're my favourite style of kitting up into containers, as it were. Sadly, I haven't got a packet to take it out of because it came as is with a great big sticker stuck on the front. So it's a little bit sticky on the top, but never mind, I'll get some Google on that later. Yeah, we got quite a few parcels from Amazon yesterday. I think there's 7. We've got quite a few of hubby's sort of needs for looking after him, and I also have some of my nail things, nails as in fingernails, my protectors and my rescuers and all sorts, because my nails are in a terrible state at the moment. So yeah, I had those come in as well, and they sent them in 7 separate little packages. I couldn't believe it. The poor lad that delivered them just sort of like, it says 7, and I went, wow, I'm definitely keeping you in a job. And he just laughed. But yeah, I mean, they could have put them all in one box. But anyway, but this one came as is, as a parcel, one of the 7, with a great big sticker on the top. So I've managed to get that off. I hate it when they put the stickers on the items. I know it's saving packaging, but I like my boxes with things in. Oh, anyway, because I do like the ARTDOT branding and everything, and I think the boxes just make it look like a little bit more of a present. I have paid for this one myself. I am an ARTDOT affiliate. I'm not quite sure how it works really. I put links down below on my ARTDOT things, but most of the things I get are from Amazon rather than from ARTDOT directly, because it's cheaper with me being an Amazon Prime member, because I get free postage, whereas I think the ARTDOT things come from America or wherever. So yeah, it's a little bit odd, but anyway, I'll put links and things down below. You're quite free to use the affiliate code, but you don't have to, you know, just wherever. And Amazon do tend to get them on really good prices as well. I'm trying to think what the price of this one was. I'll have to put it across the screen, won't I? So let's get into this and have a look. It's a 45 container as well. So quite a small footprint. You know, the box is probably about the size of the tray inside, which we will have a look at. Get on with it, Liz. Everybody's saying, oh, the flipping box. Waffle, waffle, waffle. So yeah, let's just get this open and have a look. So yeah, it's quite a small footprint really for a 45 storage container. Okay. Oh, look, the box. Oh, I didn't realise that. The box is all embossed. Ooh, I like that. Sorry, I love packaging and things, and good packaging is always really excellent. Lots of little stickers. Yay. So there's definitely, I would think there's probably, I don't know, 100 there, maybe. I don't know. Maybe say on the box. And then we have, oh, is this just the containers then? Oh, this isn't what I was expecting. Okay, independent slot design, screw top lid, multi-purpose. This is just a piece of foam. Oh, 45 bottles and 1 foam base. Oh, ARTDOT, you've let me down. Oh dear. I was expecting, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I was expecting it to be sort of one of these, you know, like the lipstick containers that are like an acrylic base with like a rubbery top on them with the little slots in. I certainly wasn't expecting for the price for it just to be 45 little bottles in, yeah, that are easily going to drop out. One's escaped already. And it's just a big piece of foam. It's not even really solid. It's just a piece of foam. Oh, that's no good. And now, as per usual, everything on my craft floor just vanishes. There's definitely a black hole somewhere in this craft room that whenever I drop anything on the floor, everything just disappears into it and I never see it again. So I'll find it in a bit. Yeah, I mean, that's not even, you know, to pick it up, that's not good. On that picture, that's got edges, look. There, look. It's got an edge. Let's just get that in focus. You can see there, look. It's got a like a mitered corner, like an edge. That isn't an edge. Well, I know it is an edge. It's a corner, but that's not. No, that. Oh, that's really disappointing. To be honest, if you go on like AliExpress, Temu and all those, you can actually go on and just buy 45 bottles, probably cheaper than the price of this. I'll see if I can find it and put them on. And oh, well, it had to happen eventually, I suppose. I've been so impressed with absolutely everything that I've had from ARTDOT. I'm pleased now that I did buy this myself, because I can send it back. Put a big label on the front. Say, ha, sending you back with a label on. No, I probably will keep it. But yeah, I was going to use this to kit up today, do a kitting up. Oh, it really needs to go in a container, doesn't it? But it's an odd size now with it being 45. Let me grab my tape measure. Oh, it's a good job I've got a diamond painting afternoon this afternoon, because, yeah, I'll need to cheer myself up. I don't like it when things are as what I expect. So the piece of foam, oh, I can measure it along this side, can't I? The piece of foam is 10 inches, which is about 15.5 centimetres by... Oh, I had such high hopes for this. Unless, I suppose I could keep it in the box. Anyway, just carry on with what you were doing, Liz. Butterfly brain, going from one thing to another. So it's 6.25 inches, which is 15.5 centimetres. So that's quite an odd size to find a storage container or a storage box to put in. I know I have bought the foam inserts in the past and put them into one of the A4 sort of storage containers for A4 paper for my paper crafting and things, and I've done that. But yeah, as I just suddenly thought as I was saying that, I suppose I could keep it in there, and then just probably take the flaps off and just have the lid that folds over. Yeah, I suppose I could do that. But really, when you're buying something, you don't expect to have to use the cardboard box that it comes in, when it's particularly had a big sticky label on the front as well. Oh, how disappointing. Oh, ARTDOT. Oh, dear. I say, let me know in the comments, would you have thought it would have been in like a box or something? Maybe they expected to keep it in the box. I'll have to further investigate and see what other people think to it and see what other people's done. But yeah, I was expecting to take it out and it to have something around it. I suppose it's quite, as cardboard boxes go, it's quite a good cardboard box. Yeah, and it does say foam base. Okay. Oh, friendly and hassle-free customer service. Yeah, I mean, that's not user-friendly, is it, to just have it like that? You know, you've got to carry it. It's not like, you know, like a more rigid thing that you're picking up to carry. This is quite floppy, and say maybe they do expect you to just keep it in the box. Anyway, let's have a look at these little bottles. So it's, yeah, it's the like soft plastic lids, which are my favourites, because I don't like it when you get the hard plastic, like the little containers, and the hard plastic lids, and it goes ee when you put the lids back on. Can't be doing with that. Oh, sorry, that's just woken Millie up. I am joined by the lovely Millie Moo, who's curled up in her bed. She's had a good moan this morning, but yeah, that's a whole other story. She's just in one of those moods. Fireworks last night just finished her off, I think. So yeah, and these are, I believe, the same size as the others. This is one of my other bottles, just double check. Oh, right, yeah. You tend to get two styles of these little containers. You get the long, thinner one or the little stubbier one. So this is one of the little stubby ones, but they both actually hold the same amount. Those lids are actually the same size, but the bases are, this one is slightly wider. So, yeah, and they always say on the packets and everything that they hold 2,000 gems, 2,000 drills. Well, on my my little experiments that I do, and I did a video where I got all of my different containers out to see how many drills each one held. I used the little 200 packets that used to come with the kits originally a long time ago. You do still get an occasional kit with the little 200 packets of drills, and I measured each one out, and I only got between about 1400 and 1600. That's like 7 or 8 packs into one of these. But then somebody told me that actually these the little 200 bags sometimes have like 280 in them, so it could be 2000 if you sat and counted them. I'm not going to sit and count them. You can weigh them. But no, that was just taking it a little bit too far. It was just to give you an idea if you're kitting up and you've got a big canvas and you're wanting to think, well, will it fit in those tubs, or will it fit in this size, or whatever. It's handy to know a rough idea of how many gems or drills you will get in each one. Okay, so I'll pop that one back where it belongs over there. Yeah, what I'll probably do is cut those flaps off and those flaps off and just keep that one and maybe just tuck it in there. Or I could always do the craft a bit in me and make my own box lid, because I do have quite a few box making scoreboards and things from my card making days, and I could put a transparent, I've got some like acetate, I could put some acetate on the top and be really posh and make my own lid. But this isn't going to last very long as a cardboard box, not the way that I drop things and do things anyway. So okay, yeah, that's the first thing, as I said, that I've had that I've been that little bit disappointed. Okay, well, as I say, I was going to kit up into this. I don't know whether I am now. I think I probably will, and give it a go and just keep it in the box that it came in. So I could always send it back, but I'm not very good at sending things back. I have got a trip to the post office planned this week, so I'll think about it. So, I mean, they're not even sort of branded or anything, are they? You know, if you handed somebody that just as it is, there's nothing to say that that is ARTDOT. There's nothing of the lovely blue colour that they normally have, or any of the little branding bits, or any of the niceties that you normally get, the little extras. It is just literally a piece of foam with holes cut in and 45 little bottles. We have got 45, as I say. If you missed the beginning of the video, this one decided to make a break for freedom and disappeared off the desk, never to be seen again. It will turn up eventually. Okay, well, as I say, let me know in the comments what you think. I have to say, I am a little bit disappointed, but we have to try these things. So at least now, if you've been looking at this and wondering about getting it, you know what you're actually getting. That is misleading on there. That does look like that's a piece folded there. Unless I'm doing it wrong, unless there's a piece missing. No, but it does say, I mean, it says multi-purpose. I know you can use it for beads and things, but it does say a foam base. Yeah, the foam base needs to be in something. It's definitely something something sturdier than a cardboard box anyway. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed this little look at this new product, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.